Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is related to how I took the pictures with the sky background. So in this video there is 3 parts. In the first part you will see how I took the pictures, that means the behind the scenes. And in the second part you will see the turned out picture, which were good or bad you can decide by yourself. And in the last part, which is very interesting and my favorite also, where you can see the editing tutorials. Yes, the sky can be changed just by one click. So there is one thing I have faced that problem when I watching people's video. They uploaded their behind the scenes and the results, but where are the tutorials? You people watching my videos and giving your valuable time, and if you can't do it by yourself for editing your videos or pictures, then where are the benefits, right? So before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe to it, because my baby YouTube channel has 1 year up and there are subscribers very low, which is very demotivating. So please subscribe to it, like and share if you can. And yeah, so without more chattering, let's buzz into this video. At first you have to download one app which is very easily available in the Play Store. So you have to write Pixaloop. Yes, I have already downloaded it. So open it and select one picture which has the sky background. So yeah, I have selected one, and you can see the sky option. Tap there and yeah, just one click and you can easily select it any of the sky. There are so many options are available. You can see that lots of sky background there. You can change the opacity and horizon also, and select one which you like. This is a app which is used for the video purpose. That means the sky is moving or you can add any animation, but you want a still picture, so you have to take a screenshot. Yes, then crop it from the gallery or any app which you have in your phone. I am doing it from my phone's gallery editing system. Yes, the size you may like, and yeah, it is done. If you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comment box that what picture you like the most. See you soon. Bye bye.